Hello students, today we will discuss about gravitation of ninth class physics part 2. In this lecture we will complete this lesson. Okay students, now let's start here. First of all, acceleration due to gravity. Here as the name suggests, as we learn from, means acceleration produced by gravity. Now first of all, gravity is the force by which any object falls down. Okay, gravity force जिसके कारण कोई ऑब्जेक्ट fall down, hence it may be defined as acceleration produced by in a freely falling body. Freely means without any resistance, without any opposition, without the friction of air, produced in a freely falling body due to gravitational pull of the earth. Now gravitational pull is caused by gravity, force of gravity of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration produced in a freely falling body due to gravitational pull of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by g. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रीली फॉल गिर रहा है फ्रीली, देन तो उसमें ग्रेविटी फोर्स उसको नीचे की ओर लेकर आएगी. इट मीन्स उसमें एक्सेलरेशन प्रोड्यूस होगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी. ओके, acceleration due to gravity have magnitude and directions. Because it falls down, direction fixed. Okay, so it is a vector quantity and direction. Different heavenly body had different value of gravity, means in each planet there is different value of gravity. Okay, z value is 9.8 meter per second square. At the center of earth, value of action due to gravity becomes 0. It is maximum at poles of earth and minimum at equator of earth. Means minimum equator, maximum poles, and 0 at the center of earth. Now what is mass? Generally we see sometimes mass and weight are very confusional terms, but these are separate, different from each other in the very hard meaning. Means mass is the total quantity of material contained by any object, denoted by small m और capital M. ओके, मीन्स किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को जो मटेरियल लगा है, जो मैटर लगा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स मास. मास ऑफ बॉडी रिमेन सेम एट एवरी पॉइंट, एवरी प्लेनेट. ओके, चाहे वो आपका अर्थ हो या हेवनली बॉडी मीन्स मून हो या any other planet, mass remains constant. Okay, for example, if we have a 6 balls that is of 6 kg on earth, and when we go on moon it becomes 1 kg. That is weight, because their gravity is 1 by 6, but their mass remains same, weight changing only. Mass will be exact 6 kg on the moon or earth. Now weight, here it is a physical balance, and if I put 10 kg weight and substance, it will comes downward. If I replace it and come downward, देखो कोई भी वेट अगर उसको फिजिकल बैलेंस पे रखो तो वो नीचे क्यों रहेगा, अगर मतलब कि अनबैलेंस है. वेट ऑब्जेक्ट इक्वल टू दी फोर्स बाय विच अर्थ अट्रैक्ट्स वेट बाय अर्थ अट्रैक्ट. मीन्स वेट एक फोर्स है जो अर्थ अपनी अट्रैक्ट करती है, जिस फोर्स से अट्रैक्ट करती है. वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल टू ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय द अर्थ. अभी कोई चीज़ नीचे क्यों, दैट इज ड्यू टू ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. मीन्स वेट इज द फोर्स विच एक्ट्स डाउनवर्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेट. एंड फॉर्मूला ऑफ वेट इज W is equal to mg. W weight, m mass, and z acceleration due to gravity. Now gravitational force on object is equal to mass of body into acceleration due to, that is language. Weight has magnitude and it is vector quantity. Mass is a scalar, weight is a vector. Now pressure, as we learn from our lower classes, pressure is the force per unit area. Here we use term thrust, that is simply force, okay, but acts perpendicularly. Pressure, thrust or force per unit area, F by A units are force unit is Newton, area is meter square, न्यूटन मीटर इनवर्स स्क्वायर और न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. Okay, now factors on which pressure depends. Pressure is directly proportional to thrust or force. Means if I press loosely, then it applies less pressure. If I press hardly, then it applies high pressure. Pressure inversely proportional to area of contact. Means here this side area is less, tip of pin. It means here area less means pressure is more. But from this side area is more, the pressure less. Means when area decreases, pressure increases. Pressure, and when area increases, pressure decreases, and area decreases, pressure increases. Inversely meaning is that. Okay. Now next, pressure exerted by fluids. Liquids and gases are fluids. Why? Because they can flow easily. Liquids and gases. Liquids have weight and tendency to flow as they exert thrust on the base and wall of container in which they are put. If I put liquid in that container, pressure in this side, pressure this side, pressure, this means all side pressure, equal pressure. Here, pressure exerted by liquid of density rho at the depth h is given by p is equal to rho. Rho is the density, h is the height, and z is the gravity. Now up thrust. Upward force acting on an object when it is immersed in a liquid or fluid is called upthrust. Means किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को जब आप पानी में इमर्स करोगे, डुबोते हो उसको, तो उसको पानी में नीचे की ओर से फोर्स लगती है, इसी कारण ऊपर की, जैसे मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल ये है, आपने जैसे इस ऑब्जेक्ट पानी में रखा, यहाँ पर वाटर है, आप इसको नीचे प्रेस करते हो तो बिल्कुल ऊपर की फोर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड अपथ्रस्ट, buoyant forces. Here by C diagram, an object in this water, okay, that is water. Here it is the gravitational force by which acts downward, and upward thrust or buoyant forces is opposite to gravitational force by which it comes upward. Now Archimedes principle. When an object immersed in a fluid, it experiences upward thrust, force upward, equal to weight of the fluid displaced by the object. Means किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को पानी में जो इमर्स करते हो, डुबोते हो, तो जितना उसका वेट है, जितना उसका वॉल्यूम है, उतने ही पानी को डिस्प्लेस करेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल. मीन्स जो अपथ्रस्ट है, जो वाटर अपर की ओर फोर्स लगाएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेट ऑफ फ्लूइड डिस्प्लेस. हियर इट इज ऑब्जेक्ट, इट इज नॉट इमर्स्ड. व्हेन आई इमर्स्ड इन इट्स वाटर फर्स्ट, that level, after when we immersed it, that becomes so high, that liquid displaced object, that liquid equal to weight of this object, volume of this object. Means इसका जितना वॉल्यूम है उतने ही वाटर को डिस्प्लेस करेगा. दैट इज गिवन बाय आर्किमिडीज. नाउ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फ्लोटेशन. एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन लिक्विड विल फ्लोट इन ए लिक्विड if the weight of liquid displaced by immersed part object is equal to weight of means कोई ऑब्जेक्ट पानी में कब तैरता है, जब वो जितना पानी को डिस्प्लेस करेगा उतना उसके डूबे हुए पार्ट के बराबर है. मीन जितना वो वाटर में डूबेगा ना, मीन जैसे आपका ये एग्जाम वाटर है, हेयर कितना पार्ट डूब रहा है इसका, तो जितने वाटर को डिस्प्लेस करेगा, अगर ये दोनों इक्वल है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फ्लोटेशन. Here. Case 1. When weight of a body is move more than the buoyant forces, then body will sink. Means कि जो weight है बॉडी का buoyant force से ज़्यादा है, then body will sink, डूब जाएगी वो. An object में sink in liquid when its density is more than the liquid. Liquid से उसकी density ज़्यादा है, then it will float. Hello students, an object may sink in liquid if its density is more than the liquid, then it will sink. Okay. Okay. If density is less than the liquid, then it will float. Now density, mass per volume is known as density. Density means m by v. Now density means how dense is an object, how particle close. Particle having closer packing, that is more density. Rare particle, that is a lesser density. Okay students, have a good day. Have a good